Once again, welcome back to Learning with the Difference. News headlines in English for 14th of September. And first of all, national news. Telangana Assembly's resolution urge Centre to name new parliament after B.R. Ambedkar. China declined to say if Xi will meet Putin and PM Modi at summit. The summit will take place in Uzbekistan from September 15. Days after heavy rain and floods all but paralyzed Bengaluru, a Karnataka minister has warned that illegal constructions will be raised like the Noida Twin Towers. After India banned TikTok, its $20 billion market is up for grabs. India had been TikTok's single biggest market. In a democracy, a political party cannot be stopped from functioning by sealing its office, observed the Supreme Court. Kohinoor diamond belongs to Lord Jagannath, claims Odisha body seeks its return. A memorandum is submitted to the President. Right to contest an election, not a fundamental right. Supreme Court. Highways, homes flooded. In Andhra's Sri Kakulam after heavy rain. Raids across 5 states over Jammu and Kashmir police recruitment scam. Bengaluru-based surgeon among the winners of Global Robotic Surgery competition. 8 cheetahs will be sent to India where they will be personally welcomed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on his birthday, officials said on Tuesday. India planned to replace toll plazas with auto numbers recognition system. And now some international news. Pressure builds on Germany to send military aid to Ukraine. Russia's Vladimir Putin and China's Xi Jinping will meet in Uzbekistan this week. Eiffel Tower lights to turn off early in a bid to save energy. King Charles arrived in Northern Ireland on first visit as British monarch. From blocking citizens to blue ticks, China becomes Twitter's big market. And now news related to sports. FIFA World Cup 2022 final dress rehearsal done. Qatar ready to welcome global football fraternity. World Wrestling Championships 2022 Vinesh Phogat loses 0-7 in 53 kg qualification round. BFW World Rankings HS Pranoy achieved best ranking in 4 years, climbs to number 16 spot. Former world number 1 Simona Halep to rest after nose surgery. And now news related to business. Equities jumped to 5-month high with Nifty above 18,000 for first time since April. Finance Minister said many countries interested in bilateral rupee trade. Enforcers warn employees against moonlighting, says it could lead to termination. SEBI evaluating enhanced disclosure norms for futures and options market. Rupee strengthened sharply against a softer dollar despite high inflation reading. What's stopping you, India? INC. Nirmala Sitharaman's Hanuman comparison. Former RBI Deputy Governor BP Kanungo, Kaushik Datta joined Bharat Pay board. JSW Steel to invest $1.3 billion to cut carbon emissions. Go green. August sunflower oil imports up nearly 90%. Russia, Argentina, major suppliers. Now news related to science. ISRO's Gaganyaan expected to launch in 2024. 4 fighter pilots identified as potential crew. James Webb Space Telescope captures stunning images of Orion Nebula in amazing details. Blue Origin rocket has failed mid-flight a day after its lift-off. A galaxy swarm was discovered by astronomers orbiting a hyperluminous galaxy. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.